a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. These are the voyages of the starship Cylon. And this is a big long box. I ordered this from Blade Ops Scratch and Dent sale. This is a awesome Hinderer. Skinny warm clay. XM24. Oh. Mercedes getting it. Let's see. This should be something pretty special. This thing is packed full of peanuts. I have peanuts for days now. Another long box. Boker. Some website said this was a display model, and they put it on their scratch and dent sale, and I could not pass it up. What's in here? Got some stuff. It's the Boker M4 Sherman Damasceel. And comes in this neat kind of display box. Take away the stickers a little. Some entertaining video here. How does this open? That is the question. Comes with this display thing that's hard to open. Oh. Ah. Head trick. Let's move that. Yeah. Let's see this thing. Very cool. Looks like it's number 1243. These are steel frame locks. Man. Very cool little blade. That's a better light. That's a better light. There we go. M4 Sherman Damasceel. Got a little card here. It's made in Germany. The Damasteel was made in USA by Chad Nichols. It's a customized ladder pattern. Damasteel. Flat grind. Burlap micarta. Feels good. What's special about these is they incorporated some material from the M4 Sherman tank into the Damascus, which is pretty cool. It's pretty special to me. When I was in the Army, I was an Abrams tank mechanic. Loved working on tanks. Learned how everything worked on that inside and out. So this is kind of a cool little treasure knife for me to get. Nice smooth action. Reverse flick. Oh, this is super neat. The Damascus is cool looking. Got some M4 Sherman tank in there. I really loved working on our tank. They come out with an Abrams one. I'll have to get that too. It's cool. A little bit smaller than what I usually go for. But it's a good size. Feels great in the hand. First Boker. Made it really well. Pivot kind of looks like the gear drive for the treads, tank tracks. Yeah. Very cool to finally have one of these. Tank infused blade. That is awesome. Well, there's do a little unboxing and look. Excuse me. Hope everyone's having a good day. M4 Sherman Damasceel. Very cool. Thanks for watching.